ViewSonic has recently unveiled its latest innovation, the LX700-4K projector, specifically developed to elevate the gaming experience on the Xbox console. This cutting-edge projector boasts an impressive set of features tailored to meet the demands of avid gamers. The LX700-4K projector is equipped with a powerful 3500 ANSI lumens brightness, ensuring vibrant and clear visuals even in well-lit environments. With a long-lasting light source lifespan of 30,000 hours, equivalent to up to 10 years of 3 hours of daily usage, users can enjoy extended gaming sessions without worrying about the projector's performance. Offering a maximum recommended image dimension of 300 inches, the LX700-4K projector delivers an immersive gaming experience. The 240Hz display refresh rate and a remarkable 4.2 milliseconds input lag ensures smooth and responsive gameplay, crucial for competitive gaming scenarios. The 1.45:1 throw ratio and a high 3:1 contrast ratio contribute to exceptional image clarity. The projector supports 1440p and 1080p gaming at 120 and 240Hz refresh rates, respectively. With a 0.65-inch DMD chip and compatibility with HDR and HLG output, the LX700-4K ensures that gamers can enjoy high-quality graphics and vibrant colors. The LX700-4K projector comes with advanced settings that facilitate seamless streaming of gaming content from the Xbox console. This feature enhances the overall gaming experience, providing users with easy access to their favorite games and content. The inclusion of horizontal and vertical keystone correction tools, along with a 1.36x optical zoom, offers flexibility in projector placement, allowing users to achieve the desired screen dimension and position. The LX700-4K projector is equipped with a built-in 15-watt speaker, providing a decent audio experience. For users seeking enhanced audio quality, the projector includes an HDMI ARC port for connection to an external speaker. HDMI 2.0B HDCP 2.2 ports and USB-A ports cater to various connectivity needs, ensuring compatibility with a range of devices. The LX700-4K projector is set to be available in multiple markets, including the UK, Australia, and the US, making it accessible to a global audience. For those eyeing this cutting-edge gaming projector, the ViewSonic LX700-4K comes with a price tag of €1,197 in the EU. These competitive prices make the LX700-4K an attractive option for gamers looking to enhance their gaming setup, with a high-quality projector developed specifically for use with the Xbox gaming console. While the US price for the ViewSonic LX700-4K projector has not been officially disclosed at this time, the anticipation surrounding its release is sure to grow, as more details become available. The projector's global availability and strategic release timeline indicate ViewSonic's commitment to providing a diverse gaming community with access to this advanced gaming projector. In summary, the ViewSonic LX700-4K projector stands out as a top-tier gaming projector, developed to complement the Xbox gaming console. With its impressive brightness, gaming-specific features, and advanced settings, it promises to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience for enthusiasts around the world. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.